it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team layout for the scrap room. This is using the 2026 June kits, and this particular kit is the Echo Park It's Time to Travel. So here are the 3 pattern papers that you get, and then we get 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. We also get a full set of the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then for the pattern paper kit, you get these 2 additional papers. I love this one. And then for the embellishment, we get a whole pack of the Echo Park enamel dots. So I am using this month's cut file. So this month's cut file, you actually get 4 cut files in one. So you get 3 speech bubbles, and then you get a title. So I am going to use 2 of them. So I am using the big speech bubble that the title's in without the title, and I cut that out in this blue. And then I cut the kind of ovally speech bubble out, and I cut it out 14 times, I think. 14 times. And I decided that every other one I would flip-flop, so they're facing a different direction, and I decided to leave the inside in every other one as well. So I trimmed down the plaid paper. That one's going to be my main background. And then I matted it in the same blue that I did the big speech bubble out of in the center. So when I cut it out with the cut file, I made sure that I cut it out of the center, and that seems to at least leave me enough that I can use it as a mat. So I am going to put my big speech bubble in the middle, and then I am going to kind of position the smaller ones where I think they're going to be, so that I can get the spacing right for the big piece in the middle. So I'm going to put one on each side, and that will help me with spacing. I did pop it up on some fun foam, and I used a tape runner and liquid adhesive to stick that down. So this is my photo. It's actually a screenshot of a Snapchat with my son, and he obviously didn't take this picture because he is the one flying, but he, I think, reposted it because he's tagged, him and his buddy are tagged in it, and it's really funny because it says, "This is a weird looking Uber." That's what it says on it, and I thought that was really funny. And so I screenshotted it, and I'm going to document it today. Definitely documenting his piloting journey. And so I did go off screen and put all of these down, and then I thought maybe it would be fun to add a little color to the speech bubbles. So this is I think it's candy apple red. And so I just did one of the ones I wasn't using, and I kind of put it over to see if I wanted it. And I do like it, but I didn't want it on all of them. So I'm going to pop it up on 3 of them that have the inside anyway. So I'm not adding it to any of the ones that are open, because I do really like that plaid, and I was definitely covering up quite a bit of plaid. These speech bubbles that you see around the perimeter, I did cut that out of the Fig Swirl cardstock that came in the kit. So if you were wondering about that, I forgot to mention that. So I'm popping them up. So I'm putting 3 of them on. And then I am going to start embellishing. So I've got this entire sticker sheet, and I could definitely do like a sticker sneeze. There's so many speech bubbles, and I could put something in all of them or some of them. So I decided to actually make 3 clusters, and I actually don't make the clusters where I put the inked speech bubbles, which is kind of funny. Like, you would think that would be a really good choice for a base for your embellishment clusters. I mean, I guess I could move that one over. So they're kind of close. So I am going to make one in the open area up there in the upper left. There is a little airplane, and it kind of looks like our airplane, so that's fun. So I'm going to put that up there, and then I'm going to make a cluster down in the bottom corner in that open piece. But then I'm also going to embellish on the right upper hand corner of the photo, and that will overlap onto the speech bubble right there to the right. So it does kind of end up by 2 out of the 3, but only one set of stickers actually makes it on one. So up there in the top, I have some word stickers. They say, go exploring, travel with no regrets, let's go. And then that little piece by the airplane currently is going to move over to where those words are, because I like this globe better over there. So, and it says, always take the scenic route. Route. I don't know that there is a correct way of saying that. Maybe something to look into. I guess there are several words out there, but I think that one is definitely one of the interesting ones. Route or route. And I also get another sticker up there, and it says destination everywhere with a little geotag. And then at the bottom, I've got our travels. That's going to act as my title. There's a little bag, a compass, and a camera, a little sticker that says arrival. And then I do end up putting 3 of the enamel dots in all 3 clusters. And then I'm actually going to add 1 more enamel dot to the camera on the bottom of the photo. And then here I was thinking maybe it needed something else. I do put this little tiny diamond, blue diamond with an airplane in it down there. So love, love, love this collection. Definitely will be killing this kit in the future. Maybe not this month, we'll see. But here is a look at my layout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will leave all the information for the scrap room so you can get your hands on these amazing kits. And I do have a couple of close-ups for you. So here is a final look at the layout. Love how that turned out. Super fun cut file. So remember to wear your crown, and we'll see you next time. Bye.